you guys, my name is Stephanie and we are outside on this gorgeous afternoon. It's so sunny and nice out right now, but I'm really excited that we are joining Thicket's pumpkin contest this year. I saw this happening last year, but I didn't see it until it was too late, and I am so excited to try to be part of this year, and I've already been really excited to try to grow pumpkins this year. Now we already started 2 batches of pumpkins from seed that I'm going to show you right over here. So right here what we have is a cornfield pumpkin, and we started these guys somewhere around 2 weeks ago or so is when they started sprouting. They're doing really well. I'm only growing a couple of these guys. These are going to be our fun fall pumpkin. We're going to use these guys for carving and decorating and, well, just for fun. And what was started a little later, just a couple days ago, as you can see, they're not sprouting in yet. These are the guys that I really want. These are a Long Island cheese pumpkin, and they're supposedly, I've never had them before, but they are supposedly a chef's favorite, a nice big pumpkin with a thin skin and delicious flesh, and I'm really looking forward to these guys. I'm hoping that they come in, and when the end of the year comes, we can do a whole bunch of baking and all kinds of fun stuff with these seeds. Okay, so thank you guys over at Thicket for letting us be a part of this competition. I'm really excited, and anybody else watching this video, make sure that you go check out Thicket's channel, check out his video about this competition. He'll give you all the rules. Anybody, YouTubers or subscribers, can be involved in this contest, so definitely think about getting involved. And I know you have until the end of May to get joined in, but either way, make sure you check out his channel. Make sure you check out the other channels who are also doing this competition, because everybody's going to be putting out videos, and a lot of people are going to be doing updates all the way through October when the competition comes to a close. So again, thank you so much. I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoy this and enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you're getting outside in the sunshine. Hopefully you're having beautiful weather wherever you are. Otherwise, we will see you on the next one. I love you all. God bless, and bye-bye.